Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we will be unboxing and reviewing this open-ear earbuds from Baseus. This is the Baseus open-ear Bowie MC1 open-ear true wireless stereo earbuds. So guys, this is the first time that I will be unboxing and even trying out this clip-on open-ear earbuds. So one thing that they said that this will do is that it will not be actually sitting inside your ear canal, but it will just be sitting outside, and it will be pushing through all the sounds from outside of your ear canal. So that means that it should be more comfortable to wear, and you can practically wear it all day. And as you can see here, it also says that in the box, comfortable to wear, and it's a 40-hour battery life. So that includes the charges that we have in our case right here, and it's IP57 waterproof and dustproof with an AI base. So I heard that the base for this one is good, but it's, of course, you cannot get that good quality base because it will just be pushing it from outside of our earlobes or our ear canals. But I am excited to see and hear what is in store for us with these earbuds. So I have been exclusively wearing AirPods as of now, and the thing is that what I wanted, that's why I'm looking for in the market for this open ear earbuds, that I wanted to be able to wear these earbuds all day long. That's one thing, because sometimes when I wear my AirPods for a bit longer than maybe 3-4 hours, it starts to hurt my ear. So this is one thing that I wanted to see, to be able to get from this open ear. And another thing is that since this is open ear, it means that you are more aware of what's happening or hearing in your surroundings. And guys, I will tell you, having a newborn in the house, I need to be extra alert for all of his little cries that I need to be able to hear them all. So that's why I'm looking for something that I can wear all day, plus I can hear when my son is crying. So let's open this box. So this is a simple box, as you can see here. There's some paperwork in front. So this moment clouds wrap around your ear. So this is a quick start guide on the earbuds in itself and how to clip on the ears, apparently. Okay, and it's a quick start guide and another paperwork. And here we have our USB-C to USB cable for charging. So this one doesn't have any wireless charging, so you're stuck with USB-C charging for this one, but I think it's still pretty good. So this is our Baseus Bowie MC1 open ear earbuds, and this comes in two colors. I got the white one. There's also a black colored one from Baseus as well. So this comes around at less than $50 currently right now on spring sale on Amazon. So if you do like this product, do check it out in the description below. Okay, so here is our case. I think it's a pretty good case. I think the material itself is also good, and the finishing is quite nice, kind of similar to my AirPods actually. And we have a single button here, and I suspect this one will be for our pairing mode. And we also have our USB-C connection over here. So once you open this, you are presented with the two earbuds for your left and your right earbuds. Okay, and we have this seal for the contact points. I'm not sure. Let's see if we can focus it up right here. So this one we need to remove in order for the earbuds to be charged. Okay. So one thing I also liked about this earbud is that I like that it has a physical button that we can touch to do all our answering calls, play, pause button, so, and changing the volume. So the physical button makes sure that I am intentionally doing all of those things, because sometimes the capacitive touch that we have on other earphones, yeah, it's cool, but the thing is that sometimes I usually unintentionally do things with it. This physical button that I know that I've been clicking, make sure that I am intentional on what I do on my earbuds. Okay, so this one is quite flexible. Okay, and now let's see if we can pair this up with our iPhone and see what we got. And I'll also show you the software for these earbuds as well. So let's go ahead and do that. And I will also show you how this fits on our ear as well. So let's take a look at that. So now I wanted to show you the app for this Baseus Bowie MC1. So first things first, after you download it from the App Store, you need to change the region that you are in. So we choose USA. Okay, and then we just do a sign up. So we'll just do this and I'll come back later. Okay, so once you have signed up, so you just enter your credentials and do a login. And then from there, we'll see to how we can add our device. So let's press add device right here. And it will check for the nearest devices that we have. So you need to allow that first. Okay, so it sees my device, the Baseus Bowie MC1. So let's add it here on the app. Okay, so once that's added, we'll be able to see, oh, that's good. It also lets you see where is the location of your earbuds as well, which is quite nice, I think. So let's allow that. And as you can see here, we'll be able to see the battery of the left and right headsets and the charging case as well. And we have our spatial acoustics. It's either you can use normal, music, or cinema. And then since we are using this, we also have different kinds of EQ mode that we can use right over here. And we can also enhance the bass by clicking on this bass boost. And low latency mode, this one, it will reduce the sound delay, improving audio and synchronization. Oh, I like that. So let's just do that. Okay, so it's not allowing me as of now since I'm recording this, but I'll do that later on. And then we have some gestures that we can change, left, right, play, pause. Okay, so if you tap on the left, either play or pause, or we can change it to empty. So double tap will be the next. For left, for right, and we can also choose voice assistant actually. So that's one good thing. And then press and hold left is volume down, press and hold volume up is right is volume up, and then tap 3 times will be your previews. So now I just quickly wanted to show you the fit for our Bowie C1 open earbuds. So right we have here, so as you can see here, it's very sitting quite firmly in my ear, and you won't see any dislodge that's happening even if I shake my head. So everything is firmly connected and clipped on to our ear, as you can see right here at the back and at the front of the ear, and it's not going really inside the earlobes. So it's just sitting right on top of our earlobes right here. So it's not going very inside in our ear. So the fit is very nice, quite nice for our connection for our open earbuds right here, the Baseus Bowie C1 open earbuds. Yeah, so it's quite nice and it's quite snug, the fit of this earbuds in our ear. Okay, just wanted to add one thing I noticed actually. The letters for the left and right is actually a bit hard to see. I'm not sure if it's seen on the camera, but yeah, it's a bit hard to see which one is left and which one is right. So I mean, just take note of that. Okay.